guys, Tommy here from Green Rhino. This video is one that's gonna hopefully wake some people up as far as their state of mind, as far as their outlook in life. By telling you, don't you know you won the lottery? Don't you know you already won the lottery? The day you were born, you won the lottery. If you're watching this video, you won the lottery. Not because of this video, because you're alive in these times to be able to see this. To be able to see anything as far as the internet. You won the lottery because we've been walking this earth for, they say 200,000 years. I'm gonna flip this around real quick and use this device that we are so lucky to have, because we can figure out anything. We can type in anything. We can learn anything we want on here, right? And up till about 20 years ago, we couldn't, right? We didn't have. There was a computer, but it wasn't in everybody's house. Okay. Now we have pretty much an encyclopedia in the palm of your hands on our smartphones. We can learn anything we want to. Okay, and we can use that knowledge and pursue whatever we want. So we've been walking this earth for 200,000 years. 200,000 years. That is a long time. Okay. Some people may say even longer. You know, scientists are still trying to figure it all out, right? We got history books, we got, religious beliefs. But let's just say 200,000 years. You were blessed enough to be born in these times. In these times to where we have technology. Up to about 140 years ago, we didn't have any technology. You know, we were still roughing it. Let's go back here to when electricity was invented. Okay, I just Googled it. When was electricity invented? 1882. Okay, so we didn't even have light bulbs before roughly 140 years ago. Okay, so that's pretty amazing, man. I mean, really. If you think 100 years ago, 140 years ago, before that, there was darkness. You know, fire by or light by torch, whatever. Okay, all those years, all our ancestors, all the people that lived before us. You know, they got sick. A lot of them died at an early age. Life expectancy was very low, like 40 years old. Now we're living to see 80, 100. Okay, no automobiles. No, let's go over here. When was the automobile invented? 1886, right around the same time electricity was invented. A little after it. Okay. Now we're flying around. Let's see. $1903. Okay, right after that, then we invented the airplane. Let's pause real quick so I can answer my phone. All right, so 1903 we had the plane. Okay, yeah, we weren't taking trips around the world on a jetliner, but we had a plane. So just in this last 140 years, all this stuff came. Okay, so just in the last 40 years, or last let's say 20 years, I think we've had the phone, the cell phone. Okay, I'm not even going to Google that because we all know it's pretty new. As far as the internet, as far as being able to Google anything you want, Google. That's very, very new. You know, I mean, we're so blessed to be able to even live in these times, to be born in these times. It's like literally winning the lottery. Because what are the odds? You know, what are the odds? 200,000 years ago, you could have been born 200,000 years ago, or 100,000 years ago. All these people worked hard to get where they needed to go. I mean, they had to rough it. They didn't live long, you know, and they didn't take life for granted. I can guarantee you that. Nowadays, we're taking life for granted, yet we're living in the best times possible to be living and walking this earth as a human. Okay, so I teach carpet cleaning via my YouTube channel. So if you watch my YouTube channel, you can watch and learn how to clean carpets. You know, and I up my game by doing the same thing. You know, getting online and learning. I'm still learning, and I'm still in the process of trying to better everything as far as my services is you know, just to better my service for my customers, get better results, retain my customers. So if you're thinking about if you're frustrated at life, if you're thinking that, you know, life sucks, and you're probably young, you're probably straight out of high school or whatever, or just a kid still in school. If you're out of high school and you don't like school, everything seems to be going the wrong way for you. You don't know what you want, and what you do want, you feel like you can't get it because you don't have enough money. You know, what's worse? What is worth more, money or the education? Teaching somebody something, right? So they can take that education and get money. I'd rather have the education than the money itself, because once you spend that money and you have no education on how to get that money, then it's gone forever. But if you have the education, you can do it over and over and over again. And because you live in these times, that education is at the palm of your hands. And I'm not trying to be some speaker that I think that I have the gift of gab, and I can be a motivational speaker or anything like that. But I'm just telling you what the obvious is we won the lottery to be living in these times. That's why I'm so excited, and that's why I'm always learning, and I'm always trying to figure something out, or if I think of something I want to learn, I get online and I learn, and I love learning, and I didn't love learning in high school, but I love learning now, and when I learn, I love to pass it on. So I'm passing on what I know to you, and what's very obvious to me is that we are blessed, and now it's very obvious because I did go through those times of struggles and all those depressions and feeling like, you know, I've been there. You know, and it took me a lot of years to figure it out. Once I did, well, a light bulb effect, right? I don't take life for granted no more, and I don't think you should either. And if you're thinking about making a step forward to starting your own business, whether it be carpet cleaning, pressure washing, whatever, you know, whatever it is. If you like selling clothes, whatever, go for it. Learn, get online and learn. Okay, I'm not here just to tell you, hey, if you want to learn how to clean carpets, buy my course down. I'll teach you step by step exactly what I did to get to where I am 2 years later. It's not all about me. Okay? It's about you. If you want to become, if you like selling clothes, if you like selling shoes, if you want a side hustle that you can do that's easy, like selling pallets. I've seen that online. Okay, you get pallets, free pallets, and you sell them to pallet places. I don't know. But that's a hustle. That's all you need is a truck. A lot of side hustles out there. Pressure washing. Jay Wonder Journal. He's got a he's 21 years old, and he started his pressure washing when he was 19 years old. Now he's making 6 figures. Okay, and I had him on one of my YouTube channels a while back, or one of my YouTube videos a while back, and me as well on his. And we're just kind of helping each other, helping to inspire other people to go for it. And he has a course himself, you know, and he's teaching people, and he's actually not limiting himself to just pressure washing. He wants to expand his portfolio, you know, and he's a real go-getter. And he's not taking life for granted. He knows everything he wants to know is in the palm of his hands. Yeah, that encyclopedia of the smartphone. Okay, so that's all I'm gonna say. Remember, 200,000 years. We've only had technology for about 140 years. That means our grandparents were really roughing it. Okay, our great-grandparents were really roughing it. Okay? And before then, it was really, really, really hard. So, thank God you're living in these times. Be sure to subscribe and like this video. And share this video. If you feel like that you're really kind of discouraged in life, maybe this will help you out a little bit, okay? If not, then subscribe anyway. We'll see you in the next one.